Hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be about a trade breakdown, and in this trade breakdown I am going to break down this trade over here, which I took during, I guess, during London session, and also I held the trade during New York Open and pre-New York. So what was this trade about, and how, and what is the reason behind taking this trade and placing my placing my stops in that particular place, and um, placing my TP in the particular place. Basically there are reasons behind this, and I'm going to explain you the reasons behind this in this video. So yeah, let's jump into the video without wasting any time. So in this today, especially today, not today, yesterday, I took this trade. So now you can see that it is 12:15 a.m. So yeah, so 24 January, as you can see, at 3 o'clock 3 p.m. we had a news in GBP. So basically in GBPJPY. So the currencies and commodities which I am trading is gold, GBPJPY, and USD/JPY. So what we are seeing here is, we had a news at 3 p.m. At GBP, and it was high impact news, which was PMI news. So you know during the high, I don't like to trade during high impact news because I'm trading in prop accounts, and let me show you the prop account, by the way. So this is the prop account in which I'm trading now. Yeah, this is the two-step funded next, and we are up 2.11%. So in the trading overview, as you can see, if we see the MT5 web terminal, so here, as you can see here, ticket volume SL, I think we cannot see history over here. Can we see history? No. So yeah, so by the way, this is the account in which I am trading. So yeah, I will be, this is the account in which I am trading, and this is the history over here. So this is the history over here. This trades were in gold. This last two trades were in gold. This -$28, -$28. So in this trade was, this trade was pretty much not in my setup, and it was executed in a very bad way. So I kept the lot size very very low, and I knew that there were low probabilities for the price to move in favor of me. But the thing is, I just wanted to play around, so kept the risk very low, and you know lost a very significant decent amount with which I am extremely comfortable with. So it didn't bother me so much. But the above PNL of, I guess, the GBPJPY, like the trade which I'm going to explain you now. This is the above, this PNL is of that trade. So basically, during this trade I entered at this price, exited at this price, and put my stop loss over here. But in between also I added some quantity, and partial booking. So you were seeing the statement was very long. So the thing is, if we jump into the charts, first my day was, I just wanted a confirmation bias. So in GBPJPY, actually, the daily, in the daily chart, the trend was extremely bullish. So with this, what we conclude is, we develop a confirmation bias which is extremely strong, and there are higher probabilities for the price to continue pushing bullish. From the 1 day time frame, we developed a confirmation bias of bullish trend, and if we shift into the 4 hour time frame, we still it is in bullish. So strong confirmation bias is developed that it is going to be even more bullish. So if we see the 1 hour time frame, what it happened was, in the 1 hour time frame, you as you can see here, this trade I marked here, and I wrote that it's a missed trade. So missed trade means it was a trade which was in my setup, but still then I didn't take it due to lack of confidence. And it was in my setup because, as you can see here in the 30-minute time frame, let me show you. Here it was a resistance over here. It was a resistance over here, and this bullish candle broke and closed above this resistance zone over here. So there are, according to my setup and what my intuition says, that if the candle broke and closed above this zone, there are high probabilities for the price to fill this wick over here. Fill this wick over here, and the wick fill is around 54.655 pips, and it did also. My setup worked, but still then, due to lack of confidence, I didn't take the trade, and it's just a missed trade. So I made sure that it doesn't happen again. So I still sticked with GBPJPY, because I found many opportunities here today, and there were many opportunities in the GBPJPY. So what the thing was, as you can see, we have another resistance over here, so strong resistance over here, and if the price breaks and closes above this resistance zone, on the left hand side we can see we have a clean range up till here. As you can see here, we have a clean range up till this zone, and if we go back, this is the zone over here. So this bullish candle, as you can see, broke and closed above this resistance zone, and what we had was a 90 pip range over here, 90 pip clean range. But out of this 90 pip, and my thing was like, I don't usually trade GBPJPY much, so yeah, I did wanted to capture the complete 90 pip move, but the thing was, okay, I booked partials in way, and also due to this this retracement, and due to this retracement over here, my confidence my confidence was affected in a very adverse way. So I pretty much exited during this, as soon as this bearish candle started and pushed little down, I just exited, because this is what my intuition said, that you have to exit now. So yeah, this was all the strategy, and a simple strategy, basic price action based strategy, and I traded during a huge volume, at a time window where there is a huge volume, during London session, and during pre-New York and during New York Open. During this trade, I held this trade during those times, so it was a pretty good trade. Volume pushed the price up, and we were all good to go. So captured around, I guess, 47 pips, 48 pips, captured around 48 pips, and made around 2%, 2.11% in the account. So yeah, this was all for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed a lot and learned a lot out from this video, and yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you, bye bye, peace out, keep learning and keep trading.